Add a touch of elegance to your decor using the best custom blinds. Do you want to make your home look more luxurious without spending a fortune? If so, then custom blinds may be the perfect solution for you. Not only do custom blinds offer you privacy and light control, but they also add a touch of style to your home. Here are some benefits of custom blinds for your home. Improved aesthetics. Custom blinds can help improve the overall aesthetics of your home. You can choose from various colors, materials, and styles to find the perfect look for your home. Increased privacy. Custom blinds are a great solution if you want increased privacy in your home. You can also opt for ones that allow you to control the amount of light and privacy you want. Improved energy efficiency. Custom blinds can help improve energy efficiency as they can keep heat in during winter and out during summer. It means you'll be able to save money on your energy bills. Easy to maintain. Custom blinds are also easy to maintain as they don't require much cleaning. You can dust them regularly with a soft cloth or vacuum them with a low setting to keep them looking like new. Considering all these benefits, it's no wonder that custom blinds have become a popular choice for many homeowners. If you want to install custom blinds in Vancouver, look no further than Civic Blinds. We offer a wide range of custom blinds, and our team of experts can help you select the perfect ones for your home. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today and add a touch of elegance to your home decor. Visit our website, www.civicblinds.com.